Hi guys, welcome back to the Buy TV channel. Today is a very special day for us. We have officially reached 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we just received the silver play button from YouTube. I'm so excited to unbox it together with you and celebrate this milestone. When we first started this channel, our goal was simple: to share our love for embroidery and help more people create with confidence. We post tutorials, machine demos, project ideas, and tips to support embroidery beginners and professionals alike. Step by step, this channel grew into an amazing community. From hobbyists to small business owners, from beginners to inexperienced creators, all of you have made Buy what it is today. Alright, let's open it up. Wow, this looks incredible. Holding this silver play button feels unreal. But honestly, this award isn't just for us. It belongs to every single one of you. Everyone who subscribed, watched our videos, left comments, and supported our brand. This milestone happened because of you. On behalf of the entire Buy team, I want to say thank you. Thank you for trusting our products. Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you for being part of the Buy family. Our mission has always been clear: to help more people enjoy embroidery, to make creative easier, and to support your business and passion. Reach 100,000 subscribers shows that we are moving in the right direction, and we are doing it together. And this is just the beginning. We will continue to bring you more helpful embroidery tutorials, more creative project ideas, more machine tips and guides, more behind-the-scenes content. We want this channel to keep growing with you. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What would you like to see next on our channel? More tutorials, more product comparisons, business tips? Let us know in the comment below. Your feedback helps shape our future content. Once again, thank you for 100,000 subscribers. Thank you for believing in Buy and for being part of this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content. See you in next time.